So, can you name five technology related areas which are going to be in news related to the advancements or the challenges related to them in 2025? One is the biotechnology related advancements, how we see that, for example, the gene editing related developments that we are seeing, where we are seeing that CRISPR-Cas9, we talk about CAR T cell therapy to again treat cancers, usage of again precision based technology in healthcare sector also because of nanotechnology related developments, where we see even how blockchain infrastructure, artificial intelligence to artificial intelligence communication, or even robotic surgeries going to stay in news. Second is individualized artificial intelligence tools, because in this case, like artificial intelligence is being in use using the chatbots which are there, which are driven by artificial intelligence, or for example, different big tech companies have been introducing their own model. So how the developments related to this and ensuring that data security is also ensured, data privacy is also ensured, and no monopolizing tendencies are generated because of the own models being developed. So need for a law to regulate artificial intelligence is needed in case of India. Cybersecurity. So here we see that according to even the global risk report, they've been ranking misinformation and disinformation as the severe threats which are present online, on social media, on the net. So, can AI powered cybersecurity solutions help us in this regard or not? Is a question. Usage of again the crypto technology or the blockchain technology that is being misused related to civil aviation. We're talking about GPS interference and the spoofing bomb hawks on not just airports but even schools, the major social infrastructures that we see. So, how the supercomputers or the quantum technology related missions in India are going to help us in solving the cybersecurity related challenges. In quantum computing studying again at the subatomic level how matter and technology and energies they function and they bring us new results is going to help us. So, quantum computing, India has a national quantum computing mission also, where it is believed that it can solve the problems which even supercomputers might take 10 trillion years to solve. So, that is in again the data driven economy, quantum computers are going to be central. Then clean technologies, green technology, technology related to renewable energy, for example, carbon credits, how that can help us in terms of moving more towards sustainable development, achieving these SDG goals on time by 2030. So these are few areas related to technology and the developments.